Whoa, that's not good. What is this? It's called the middle finger. The middle finger. And it's an offensive gesture. Okay, offensive means very rude and disrespectful. Okay, the word gesture means a body movement, a motion. Like if I wave at you, that's a gesture. Or if I blow you a kiss, that's a gesture. Okay, so the middle finger is an offensive gesture. It means fuck you or fuck off. Okay, if you flip someone the middle finger. Okay, now we use this language here. We say to give someone the middle finger. You could say, I gave him the middle finger because he was being an idiot. So there was some guy doing something stupid. Okay, so you gave him the middle finger. Now, we also use this term, flipping the bird. Okay, that means giving the middle finger, flipping the bird. Now, the middle finger is the bird. Okay, I don't know why it's called the bird, but it's the bird. And to flip something means to turn it over very quickly. For example, when you flip a coin, ding, okay, that's called flipping the coin. Or if you are frying eggs in the morning for breakfast, you flip the eggs, right? So flipping the bird, it means like you flip the bird. Okay. Now, so yeah, you could say, I flipped him the bird because he cut me off. Now, what does this mean? Cut me off. Well, it means this. To cut someone off is to, when you're driving and you turn in front of someone very quickly. Okay, it's not an accident. You don't hit them. You cut them off. It's very aggressive, rude driving. You know, let's say you're driving here and I come along and I turn in front of you. I turn in front of you. That means I'm cutting you off, okay? So this guy is cutting that guy off. So you could say, I got cut off, or he cut me off. Okay, then you might flip them the bird. Okay, now another situation we might see someone flipping the bird is this. Okay, this woman is walking to work. Okay, she's just walking to work. She doesn't want any problems. This guy's standing there. Hey girl, how you doing? Okay, she doesn't want that kind of behavior, so she flips him the bird. Okay, it's like, get lost, get out of here. I don't want to talk to you, fuck you. Okay, so this is called a catcall. When guys do this, hey girl, that's called a catcall. Okay, it's disrespectful, it's offensive, nobody should do this, okay? So anyway, let's do some homework. I want to know, is the middle finger an offensive gesture in your culture? Or is it just in our culture? I want to know. Let me know in the comments right down there, and I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.